Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share files in Element Messenger step by step. Element Messenger makes it easy to securely share documents, photos, videos, and other files with individuals or groups across the Matrix network. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open the chat or room where you want to share your file. Next, click or tap the attach, plus, or paperclip icon near the message box, depending on the version of Element you're using. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse your device. Now locate the file you want to send and select it. You can choose documents, images, videos, audio files, or other supported file types. After selecting the file, review it if a preview is available, then click or tap Open or Attach. Once the file is ready, add an optional message if you'd like to provide context, then press the Send button. Wait for the upload to finish before closing the app, especially if you're sending a large file or using a slower internet connection. After the upload is complete, the file will appear in the conversation where other participants can download or view it, depending on the file type and their device. If the upload fails, check your internet connection and try again, and that's it. You now know how to share files in Element Messenger and securely send documents, photos, videos, and other files through the Matrix network. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next